What's going on, you guys? This is Babbu from Babbu's Reviews, and today I'll be doing a unboxing in a different style. This is ASMR style. For those who don't know, ASMR, I believe, stands for Audio Sexual Monitoring Recording. So, we're going to do one of those, and you can hear the sounds. Let's go ahead and... Oops. And there you go. That's the review. Sorry, that's the unboxing ASMR style for the 10-in-1 mobile lens kit. So it works with iPhone, Samsung, pretty much any cellular device that has a high definition camera. Most of them have them these days. Go ahead, check this one out, and let me know what you think. Leave some comments in the description below, and let me know if I should do more.